Hey friends! Keeping your tires properly inflated ensures better fuel efficiency, prevents uneven wear, and provides a much smoother, safer driving experience. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car tire inflators in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Powell's Car Tire Inflator. This remarkable device is a total game changer for anyone who values speed and efficiency, featuring a high-performance motor that generates up to 150 psi. It can boost a standard tire's pressure from 30 to 36 psi in less than 60 seconds, making it 3 times faster than most generic competitors. The cordless, high-capacity battery provides up to 25 minutes of non-stop usage, which is enough to handle multiple car tires, dozens of bicycle wheels, or 60 sports balls. With 4 preset modes and a custom option displayed on a large digital screen, the auto-off function ensures you never have to worry about overinflation. The kit includes 4 interchangeable nozzles and a built-in LED light for night visibility, all packaged in a convenient storage bag for easy transport. This makes it an essential emergency tool that fits easily into a backpack or trunk for any adventure, providing reliable performance whenever you need it most. Next up, our second product, the Astro AI True Gauge Battery Tire Inflator. This powerhouse of precision features cutting-edge sensors that sample pressure data 200 times per second, offering accuracy levels 60% higher than most other portable models. It is incredibly lightweight, coming in at under 1 pound, yet it can fill a standard tire from 30 to 36 psi in just a minute and a half. The 4000 mAh battery allows you to inflate up to 8 tires on a single charge while using the 4+N smart modes for cars, bikes, and custom needs. You can easily switch between units like PSI and bar, and the custom mode allows for precise pressure presets ranging from 3 to 150 psi. Beyond simple inflation, this multifunctional device acts as an emergency power bank for your phone and includes a high-intensity flashlight with SOS and strobe modes. Its compact nature makes it a perfect glovebox companion for those who prioritize high-tech safety and versatile convenience on long road trips or daily commutes in any weather. Coming in at number 3, the Ola Hike Car Tire Inflator. This award-winning tool is a master of versatility, offering a robust motor that can inflate a standard tire from 29 to 35 psi in approximately 1 minute. What sets it apart is the dual power capability, utilizing a high-voltage internal battery for cordless use or a 12V DC cord for continuous operation from your car. One full charge of the battery is enough to handle up to 16 car tires, making it one of the most efficient portable pumps available. The high-precision LED display features an automatic shut-off and a convenient memory function that remembers your preferred pressure settings for future use. It supports 4 different units of measurement and comes with multiple nozzle attachments to handle everything from bicycles to air mattresses. The sleek, cordless design is complemented by a protective storage bag and a bright LED emergency light for working in the dark. This sustainably certified device is a reliable and practical choice for home maintenance, holiday travel, or unexpected roadside emergencies where battery life is a concern. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Astro AI 12V Digital Tire Inflator. This reliable 12V DC-powered unit is a staple for vehicle maintenance, featuring a generous 9.8-foot power cord that easily reaches all 4 tires on most cars. It utilizes specialized Tough Ultra technology in the motor and cylinder, which significantly extends the overall lifespan of the device by 50% compared to standard models. Using the intuitive programmable interface, you can set your target pressure and let the auto-off function take over, ensuring you never have to stand and monitor it. The backlit digital display supports 4 different units and provides crystal-clear accuracy whether you are checking pressures in bright sunlight or at night. An integrated flashlight provides the necessary visibility for evening repairs, making it a dependable safety tool for every trunk or storage compartment. Its compact and lightweight profile allows it to tuck away under a seat or in a side pocket without taking up much space. It is specifically built for durability and user-friendly operation, making tire maintenance a quick and stress-free task for any driver looking for long-term value. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Airmoto Car Tire Inflator. This sleek and lightweight inflator has become a must-have accessory for modern drivers because it fits perfectly inside a standard glove box or side door pocket. It offers precision accuracy up to 120 psi and features an intelligent auto shut-off system that prevents the risk of overinflation during use. The large, clear LCD screen makes it easy to switch between various measurement units like bar and kPa, while the 2000 mAh battery provides steady, cordless power. Included in the box are 3 versatile attachments, allowing you to use the device for car tires, sports equipment, and even inflatable travel pillows. A built-in LED flashlight ensures you are never left in the dark during a nighttime breakdown, providing an extra layer of security for you and your family. Many drivers consider this a perfect gift because of its blend of sophisticated design and high-level practicality for daily commuting or weekend cycling. It provides total peace of mind, knowing that you have a powerful and portable inflation solution ready to go at a moment's notice during any journey. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.